make a run there mfana kithi. Why ufuna ukubuyela emuva? Look at these two guys. Why do you want to go back now? Watch this. Mfana kithi. That was bad, guys. This was when this guy touches the ball. This guy is offside. Why are you flaking a Pagaman? Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Richards Bay 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. Not a great game. Doesn't have a lot of chances. Not a great result for Sundowns. Had they won, I think we will say Chai. But now, I know a lot of Sundowns supporters, they don't like Ukado. But I'm gonna tell you one thing. Most of these Sundowns players, they are not smart players. And they are very lucky to have a coach that uhlale a change her easy. I'm gonna show you that he changed things, especially in the second half. They were good, but quality up front is lacking. It's days like this. I wish Uripero was still around, but they missed Nuno Santos in this game. But now let's start. Now we're gonna start with the formation, the setup, Sundowns. 4-2-3-1, right? 4-2-3-1, okay. Pass, trying to play Usales. When you play against Sundowns and Pirates, you have to have 3 central midfielders here. You can say a 6 and a 8. It's okay, it's fine. You have to have those 3 here. Close down the passing lanes. If you do that, you have a better chance of winning the game. Now, let me show you how they were set up. Mutiba right back. They had Sales, Utsiki, Untabele. Then these two, Mutiba, Matthews, they would switch, alternate. Mutiba in the second half, he played a different position. I'll show you that. He played a different position. But now I'm just showing you the first half. Aggressive. Always be aggressive when you play against Abo Sundowns, Abo Pirates in the midfield. Another setup is Sundowns, right? But this game, it lacked quality. Small details, guys. The change the game. Small details. Now, these are the 2 at the back. Now, double pivot. Sales is here. Utsiki Ula. Remember what I said. Matthews. No. Matthews no Mutiba. Will alternate. Will change. Will switch. Now watch. Small details. Now, you make a run there mfana kithi. Why ufuna ukubuyela emuva? Look at these 2 guys. Why do you want to go back? We've stretched them. If you are a winger or you playing as a half 10 on the left hand side, you'll always get balls. Then you have to turn like this, control the ball like this. Then you can see a goal or you see your teammates. But when you want to turn, move. What was the purpose of you making the run there? Because if he turns, no, maybe I'm being too harsh, but you can turn and control the ball. Then your teammates are here. Small details. Now, Sienzani, people are still move. What we have to start afresh. The pitch is not good. The pitch is small. Sundowns had a chance to score on a corner kick. When you're playing against a team in a small pitch, when you get a chance, you have to score. Then again, Richards Bay, decision making, corner kick, Sundowns should score la undamani here. but because he's not a good header of the ball, ne, wenza so, he does this instead of playing the ball where it's coming. If you play the ball where it's coming, and it is coming this side, you play it there. Okay, sharp. The defending, you are a striker, you are big. This is the guy that's picking up Undaman. Ne? Then uyamyekela eze ngasemapalini. Then again you don't jump. Why? And what's the purpose of you going a boxing when you are not going to jump? Eh? Undamani should play the ball there, not ukuthi afuna ukulisa la. Eh? Now, sharp. Richards Bay is attacking. Angithi. Now, when you can look at ngikhohliwe this guy. We are attacking, my man. Run now. Yeah? Show that you want to go and score, but you are asking for the ball. Ubuyela emuva, ubuyela esayidini. For why? For who? Okay, sharp. Now, what happens? Ibhola liza la. This guy is free here. Munike mfana kithi. Munikeze ibhola la. When you want to do what? You want to play the ball there to your friend. Now I'm going to be showing you a few clips of small details. Small details. This game, it lacked that. Smartness, intelligence. Now, watch this. Mfana kithi. That was bad, guys. This was bad. This was bad. Bad. As a striker, this was bad. Bad. Now, let's start in Sundowns. The ball. Iguma defend angithi. Sharp now. You have Adams in line with the center backs. Push in here, mfana kithi. You push in here. A striker, a defender, let's begin in a striker. You push in here. Because what happens is, go on a space la. You were not you are there. Go on a space la. Now, Allende wants to go and press here. Angithi. Why do you want to go and press there, Allende? Stay there. Now, as this guy, you are in line. You are in line with the defenders. Angithi. You are in line. You are calling for the ball. He pass you the ball. Why ungatheni? Why ungatheni uye phambili? Because there's no defender at the back. Yeah? Why don't you turn? This guy is strong. Une pacing yana. Why don't you turn? You want to play a 1-2? My man. You are not hungry enough for goals. You are not hungry enough for goals. Small details. You need to know when to make a run, how to make a run. Angithi. Very tough. Richards Bay had 3 in the midfield, cutting down the spaces, the passing lanes. Now what do? Balahlile la. Sundowns get a chance. Okay? Sharp. Matthews here, poor, my man. Poor. Because by you running there, you are giving this guy uzohamba nawe. Angithi. Even the pass could have been better, or it should have been better. Small details. Matthews, had he stood, let me take it back. Great pass by Adams la. Matthews, you see, he's running there. Why are you running there? Your teammate is there. Why do you want to go there? When I make a run la, or just stand here, or just stand here. Now, bafethu. Ever since Umutiba got a red card, ever since Abuya, after that, performance is poor. Hit the ball first time here. You see what you are in a tight space. Why don't you hit the ball? Hit the ball first time. If this guy blocks the ball, it's still ours. It's gonna be a corner, it's gonna be a throw in. Or if no one touches the ball, you have your striker there, mfana kithi, whenever you want to chip the ball. Quality balulekile. It's our ball, just simple, don't lose it. Pass the ball in the middle. Okay, now quality. Think mfana kithi. Pass the ball. pass omunye umntwana, this guy is running, munikete mfana kithi, munikete. Quality is very important. Uyi-one mfana kithi, uyi-one. Okay, let's continue. Quality mfana kithi. When you are a midfielder, efuna ukuphasa emasayidini kuphela, that's how you're gonna get exposed. When you're a midfielder that doesn't scan, that's how you get exposed. They win the ball. Bakupasa ibhola, trap the ball, uye phambili. The ball is coming this side. Trap ibhola liye phambili. Then you can play on the right hand side. But when you didn't scan, but you want to let the ball roll, you didn't even control the ball. Altad. Bafethu. Quality. Another quality. Bafethu. Maybe nizoti unlucky. No. Guys, every team iyayidlala irondo, passing in small spaces. Pass in small spaces. There's no way la uMatthews couldn't pass the ball. There's no way, bafethu. No, we deserve better. Sundowns needs to go and sign 2 quality left wingers, players that can play as a half-10. There is no way you're telling me ukuthi kule space lese singaka he couldn't pass the ball la. Okay, again, noma ungaphasanga, ngithi this guy is gonna go there, push the ball mfana kithi. Bafethu, there's 2 guys this side, because this guy is a central defender. We are pusher la, it becomes 3 against 2. Bafethu. Second half, Cardoso changed things, right? Most of these players, they will remember Cardoso because, like uMatthews, for one, a lot of coaches drop, right? But he keeps on playing him in positions where the boy can succeed. But we has Moshe Lanji, right? Now let's start. Remember what I said earlier on, right? They changed. Now Umutiba, look at where Umutiba is. Playing as a midfield now. Playing as a midfield. So what they did is they pushed Allende playing as a half-10. And playing as a half-10, Matthews playing as a half-10. Who is this? Usaleng in the first half. Ungenele Usales because he got injured, but he was playing as a right winger. In the second half, he came on the left. Coaches that think, coaches that try different things. Nangu Matthews la, Pasumutiba, quality. Don't force issues in Panagit. Why do you force issues? Usalengi ula ngit playing as a left wing, sharp. Quality. Oh, wait. Okay, sharp. This lacked quality. Sundowns lacked quality up front. Mutiba. Now, watch. Want you to have a look at Matthews. Give option. He is telling Umutiba, pass it there. But then again, when I give option, you are not giving an option to Usaleng. You are not. It's either you make a run there or you make a run la. He is a son there so that he can play U1-2. If you come here, we are nigga. But no Saleng here, take him on, Panagidi. Take him on. Still standing Matthews. Quality bafethu. Decision making, not quality. Bafethu. Abafana lava. Now, Mutiba comes in, gets the ball. Does very well here. Now, pass the ball there, dog. My force, pass the ball there. You look at Mutibuzi Akwat. Pass the ball there. Quality, decision making. This one is frustrated cool. Richards Bay beyikhathele. They even had cramps. Okay, Mateo. Ta. Ivalekile. Okay, sharp. Make a run there. Now. This is why I say they miss Santos. Santos is very good in finding people. Ngama assist. And someone is making a run there. It's either you pass him the ball or you pass the ball here. You push the ball. Now, you look at Matthews here. Now uyasaba now Matthews angazi why asaba because he could have easily made the run kancane pass the ball. Now, Umutiba pass the ball there futhi mfana kithi. He pushes the ball. Pass the ball again because they space it. Pass the ball here. He doesn't. Jesu Christ. Pasa ngwana omunye. Don't be selfish, man. Aye. Ball in the middle, Samaya. Ball goes to the right. Ball rotation. Touch the. I think the moon. Ball comes back. Now Sundowns failed to do this now in this game, just like the Pirates when they played against Richards Bay. Ball touch there. Sebakhathele. It's going to open up. Now, uvulekile. Watch. Ta. Aw mara Mateo mfana kithi unangumfaba mfethu. Let me take it back. Even before he started to think about shooting, he's all alone. Mfana kithi pass omunye umntwana. Why do you want to come here? What you want to do, it's more difficult than usaleng lento azoyenza la. Uyamnikeza la and he's left footed. Why do you decide to shoot? He's all alone. Uziyakhangeza omunye umntwana. Like why sugar. Richards Bay had 2 great chances in the second half to kill off a game. Now, let's start with the first one. Sundowns is attacking. Angit sharp. Bamufa Mateo. Pass the ball. Mateo, trap the ball and pass the ball. If you pass him the ball, bese uyamround. It's 2 against 1. Pass him the ball. You pass him the ball, he's left-footed. There's 2 Sundowns players here. There's space la. You push the ball. Pass him the ball, then round. Still. Now look at what Mateo does. But we deserve better. Now, counter-attack. Good defending here. But Sundowns players. Bafethu. The reaction of a player. Now, I want you to see this. I don't know why Urevri bangaichachanga this thing as offside. When this guy touches the ball, this guy is offside. Why he flaking a Pagaman? When this guy touches the ball, let me take it back. Hopefully, Nzokolugui freezer at the right moment. Now, Nomdaman, okay, I couldn't freeze it at the right moment. But this guy was offside. Richards Bay, touchy ball. Nomdaman now, why do you want to win the ball in front of the striker? It's a move, Mbanagit. But this was offside. Uguti, Ulensman, if like I wouldn't know. The reaction of these guys was poor. Had this guy not reacted fast, league was gone. Final clip, Besenya Ivala. Now this is what I don't understand as a player. Taking forever. Mfanagiti. Okay, they give us the ball back. Now, pass the ball again. Counter attack. Ntaman is playing him onside. This was supposed to be a goal, but good recovery there. Selfish, Mbanagiti. You're selfish. Most players selfish, bafuna ukudla ama-big team by one. That's selfish. Angithi ushayile, you took a shot, angithi bakuvimba. Now why don't you pass? Nikeza omunye umntwana, maybe they can do better. Maybe they can do better. Now, I spoke earlier about teams playing through small spaces, playing through irondo. Why don't you play this guy? You just play him the ball. Why you ufuna ukuchipha iball? Or you just let angithi liyeza kuwe unikeza your teammate akhahlela ibhola. When especially this guy, okay, long ngiyambona lo, but this guy, yeah, when there's 3 people here, it's very difficult for you to score. Pass omunye umntwana la, first touch. Greedy. Could have won the game and could have won the league for a Pirates, but you are greedy, you are selfish. Now don't be selfish. Please press subscribe, please share, please like. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Thank you for watching.